What if your dreams could become real paintings? Today, I'm going to show you how I turned my dreams into digital art using Leonardo AI. Let's begin our little dream journey. Leonardo AI is one of my favorite tools for creating art. It's simple, fast, and surprisingly intuitive. You can literally turn your imagination into visuals in just a few clicks. Here's the dashboard, clean, creative, and full of possibilities. I started with a simple dream I had. A floating island filled with glowing flowers. Let's see what Leonardo can do with that. Within seconds, it started turning that dream into a visual story. Watching AI paint your imagination is truly magical. Each version looked slightly different, one brighter, one darker, like fragments of the same dream. I chose my favorite and refined it a bit. And here's the final result. A small gallery of dreams. You write a thought, and it paints a feeling. If you enjoyed this little journey, don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI art and inspiration. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.